Okay, so hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will show you how to install Windows Vista to the VirtualBox. Using VirtualBox. Okay, first you need to download the ISO file for Windows Vista, and next, syempre kailangan yung install din yung VirtualBox application from Oracle website. Okay, let's start our tutorial. Yan. First, to add a new file from the VirtualBox, you need to click the blue button above that says new, and then name the base memory. Ikaw, if gusto mong mas mabilis, taasan mo yung base memory niya para mas mabilis siya. Yan. And then, include the ISO file. Yan. Windows Vista, and then open. Then, after that, start the virtual machine. Skip. Let's skip. After that, it will go to this interface. Just click next, and then accept license terms, and then next. And then just wait until it turns to 100%. Let's skip this. Yeah. After that, the computer or the virtual machine will restart, and then just wait. And then after that, just reset the VirtualBox. Then don't press any key. Pag sinabi niyang ganun, don't press any key. Just wait until mag-load. Yan. Just wait. Just wait. And then, input your credentials, username, your computer name. It's up to you kung anong lalagay nyo. Yan. Then, just wait. And then that's it. You've successfully installed the Windows Vista. Yan. So, there. Then that's it. I hope you learned something for today's tutorial. See you for the next video. Goodbye.